On this in First Weather, over the past 2 months here at the TV station in West Lafayette, we've had just over 1.5 inches of rain. That is it. In June, we had 7/10 here. In July, 89 hundredths. Now, some of you certainly have had more than that. And if you take this data and compare it to the West Lafayette data set, this is the driest 2-month period since 1991. And before that, it was 1988, both drought years. So this is pretty remarkable. To have this least amount of rain, and really the dryness goes all the way back to January. The last time we had 1.5 inches of rain in 24 hours in one day was mid-January. So it's been a long time since we've had a lot of heavy rain, at least here in West Lafayette. Now tonight, no rain out there. We're right on the edge of this big heat wave. You saw the 99 we had at Perrysville today. We were just teetering right on the edge. We had 93 here at the station. Of course, these are heat advisories, excessive heat warnings to our southwest. We've had a few storms, again, right on the periphery of that heat wave. Now, what I think will happen, the heat wave will tend to contract a little bit. That'll make it a little bit cooler tomorrow of a north wind, but still, it's going to be in the lower 90s. Back to 3D we go. All right, tonight we've cooled down. Tomorrow morning, you're going to feel it. I mean, it's going to feel like it's kind of fall-like, if you will. When it's 62 degrees and a little damp with a little fog around, that will feel good. 85 at noon, at 92 at 5 o'clock, but a stiff north to northeast wind. That will be a very dry wind. So pretty high fire danger tomorrow, especially if you did not get rain this afternoon. And then the heat returns. I think the Plains heat wave will start to bulge back, especially later on in the week. In fact, we could be up around 100 degrees by around Friday, and that could bring a few storms to the area, and we could even have a couple storms late into the weekend. Upper 50s, not bad tonight. This will feel very good in the morning after quite a bit of heat today. 59 Rochester, Logansport, down to Kokomo, 62 Lafayette, 63 Attica, and 64 at Perrysville. Be at 62 at Kentland and Fowler. And tomorrow, again, brisk north to northeast wind, very dry air, but a little cooler, if you will. And it will feel decent because the humidity will be so low. 93 at Attica, 94 Crawfordsville, and 92 Lafayette. A little bit warmer Thursday, 94 Lafayette, Frankfort, 96 at Crawfordsville. Really quickly, the outlook, the heat wave shifting westward a little bit. That's why it will drop a little, 90 to 95, and then low to mid-90s Thursday. And the humidity still staying low. It'll start to come up a little bit on Friday with a few storms, but by and large, low humidity and the heat flirting with us. Notice the 99 on Friday will be in the mid-90s Saturday, Sunday. Few storms Sunday, Monday, and then the heat wave may contract a little bit more. We'll be down to 88 by Tuesday, Dan.